results. So you have the 1 hour zones. Looks good, but just try it with the high time frame zones for me. Let's see, push more. Okay. Let me take a screenshot for this. We gave back some pips to gold. It did not give me that chance to like close my trade somewhere and push straight up. Let me see. Just rejecting that weekly zone. Yeah, I'm there. I'm going to wait for more. I'm going to wait for that more out. So let's start from this gold again and do it the analysis from the beginning. Wait. Let's see. Sometimes you got to take a loss and that's it. It is what it is. It's coming up here. Let me see where it looks like. Up. This is what I said previously. Daily closed above this zone here. If we close above this zone, that means continuation to go up. But it did not just close straight up. Give that chance.
Morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good, John. How are you?
Probably look like it. Probably look like it.
Nice shorts.
How are you? Yeah, right. You sleep okay? Yeah, I noticed that.
Let's see what
Yeah, yeah.
happened over here. Let's still push in.
No, I've
So this
heard you do it. That's okay. It doesn't matter.
so, push more. No, I'm not selling yet. Koala said, please don't sell now. Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see what happens. I'm not selling it. We have dogs in here too. That dog wants to trade too, or what?
Who let the dogs out, man?
I think Joe. I don't know.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Wants to trade.
Me? I didn't enter anything. Not yet. I'm not looking at the 5 minutes earlier. Should have looked at it. Could have
You-
got this smoke, but this is what it is. It's Friday.
Yeah.
At the 5 minute, yeah, that was a good one.
You would taking buys in 5 minutes to a break.
Yes. Yeah. And this rejection.
Voila, tell us why do you think price is coming to 1812? If you wanna talk, of course.
Yeah, it's a little early, but because it's a 4 hour support.
This one or this?
No, it's right here. This one.
Oh, okay.
That would be my area to look at for sales, and I'm in these buys, and that's where I'm TPing or taking a lot off.
Nice. So you think
Yeah.
there's any like overblock there? You think?
No, it's just price action. This zone's pretty dangerous too. If it doesn't break here, it's possible,
Oh,
but
sorry. Go back and see which zone?
this one that we're at right now, you
This one here.
could, yeah, you could scalp some cells down, but I wouldn't look at it for the longer term. The longer term sales would be like 1812 if they play out. You know, these are just things I have
Oh,
in mind.
yeah. So this weekly, let's see if this weekly wants to close above that zone. It can also come up
Yeah, I
all the way
wonder.
up to this 50, like you said exactly that zone. But for that to buy, you need to
Yeah,
close above this zone here.
because it was just actually right. You had this leg down, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then you had the break structure right here. That's why I took these buys.
Mm.
So then this should be a higher. This should create technically should create a higher high, right?
Mm.
So then for me to cash out right here only makes sense.
Gotcha.
Yeah, but I've already secured some, so.
We just have to wait, see what happens. fast weekly on a daily support. Yeah, get paid perfect here. Here, picked up and pushed up. I had the monitor. Can't find this. Right there. It's the same zone that Wallace talking about. Yeah, somewhere on here. So, I think it's coming to this. 50. So this one out close. Send this one to one that's like here. This was the biggest loss, I think, first loss on goal this week.
Yeah, I may be following the same path.
Yeah,
You know the story on my side.
it is what it is. Are you still holding that or what?
In fact, I'm close to blowing my account.
Man, you should have closing that. Like that's why I closed my trade. Like
I should have closed when it
I
came here.
yeah, I used to hold the like you, but you know, as it's good to close and wait
On
for a
my
bit
uh,
better entry.
on my 15-minute, I have a supply zone that it's hit and turned bearish. So I think these are the things that have been misguiding me, and I've been in this cell since last evening, which was just which I entered blindly without any confidence because I overheard someone was doing it.
And
Um,
it's
and
what you
I after I did it, just 2 hours after that, I looked at what I did and I looked at my conferences and I'm like, how idiotic. I'm like, this went against everything that I'd planned.
yeah,
So
man, follow your plan. Don't listen to others tell you like you
yeah,
know if
sometimes yeah. Lesson learned, right? Look, it's still not over. It's still not over. I still live in hope. Now I'm thinking, if it comes down to 1804, I'll close it with a loss. But right now, I just if I close it, I can't even close it right now. There's no point.
yeah, just like
Yeah,
I like cells to
I
be
just
honest with you.
rather. Yeah, absolutely. It's just the way it's looking now. At least
Yeah.
till 1812, you're right. There's support there, but right now,
But if we close above this zone here, just
yeah,
get out
screwed.
because that's
I know. I know. Once that happens, that I'm just
yeah.
going to call it a day. Call it a day. Start looking for funds for my new account.
I mean, losses is part of the game,
It's
you know.
part. Yeah. I'm absolutely okay with it, man. No one got me to do this apart from me. I did it. Yeah. So it's all.
So
I'm happy.
for
I'm happy to
me,
learn. I just become better.
yeah, right.
I'm happy to learn from mistakes.
For me,
Yeah,
if
I
we
don't feel
take it,
bad at all, man. Don't get me wrong. I'm absolutely okay losing because I've lost in life many a time, bigger things. This is a lesson for me. I needed to learn this lesson.
yeah.
And I
Sometimes
was
you keep doing things and you needed that loss to stop you by like doing wrong things that you shouldn't be doing, you know, and remind you
sure,
of things that you shouldn't be doing.
for sure, for sure, dude. I totally get you.
See, this daily is rejecting that zone weekly and get moving average. 1 hour is about to close. 9 minutes, 10 minutes. Let's see how it close. This is what 4 hour does. Like, it's crazy. Now it's gonna reject all this and push down. But now for me to take like good sales, I need the next 1 hour to close back below here. What GG's doing? GG's coming down, missing, but it's still ranging. Well, hopefully come back down for you, Sham, so you can.
Yeah, it's looking momentarily good on my side, the way I'm looking at it. I have, as I said, a supply zone that it hit at 1807.6. I'm just going to send you a photo.
1807.
I have this tool here, and now it's rejected that and it's coming down. But I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm going to keep my hopes high in any manner. Let it play it out the way it's meant to. Either way, it's fine. Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't give me a chance to manage that trade straight up. So at that point, I can't do anything. If it was like closing back above somewhere above this zone here, then it will close with very small loss. But when it goes straight up like that, you just have to decide to hold or just close the trade real quick. You send me the charts, right? Picture.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see. Is it what is it? Is it a tool that you use or what?
1 minute. So I have a volume profile. That's the normal volume profile on TradingView
Mm-hmm.
with the settings that I've been taught, and the rest is a supply and demand indicator.
Ah, okay. Does that work very well for you?
The thing is, for the fact that I've not been listening to it, it sucks because when I look at it, it's meant to work really well for me.
Okay.
I should follow it through and through. Yeah.
You try to do something else.
No, I followed it, and yeah, I something else. Meaning, I didn't follow it at all, and took a sell on gold yesterday because I overheard someone on the call saying that that's a good idea, right? But I'm actually fine with this. I'm actually fine with the state of affairs, man. This is life. It's fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, really.
1 hour and I think 2 hour candle is what to close to. So 2 hour. Which zone is this? Which is the steady zone here. Which above.
Najim, what are your thoughts on GJ cells? But it's just doing nothing right now. It's just ranging.
Yeah, she's not doing anything.
Yeah, should wait. Yeah.
Yeah, there's no confirmation yet for stars.
Important talk. Let's see.
I would like to see it coming back above a little bit more.
Okay.
This is a weekly zone here. At least we're coming back down here, but I want to come push a little bit more up instead of down.
Gold is coming to the hourly close, so let's see.
Yeah, rejected that zone again. 30 minutes, which is this one here. 15 minutes rejected. See this thing. I'm going to look at 2 hour because that's the I'll probably take try buys to be honest with you. Just to be careful.
Yeah.
Because I trade based on the high time frame zones, so depends where they closed. Let's see. That's why sometimes they switch from sells to buys, from buys to sells, because based on what I see, right? I'm not going to stick to sells because I want to sell. You know what I mean? All right, out. And if I take this trade, it would be the last trade, so I'll try to come back here.
Oh man.
Are you okay, Shab?
Yeah, yeah. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm also doing other things, man. I'm just keeping myself occupied. I can't just keep on staring at it, saying that, okay, change now, change now. It's not going to listen to me. Yes, I'd rather um, do other things while I'm at it.
I used to hold trades a lot.
Yeah,
This
let it
time,
play out. Let it play out the way it's meant to.
but it's not a good idea to hold trades.
I remember, Najim, actually, I remember, I met you on Luke's call when I joined, like in February, March.
Mhm.
And I remember you saying that I held the trade for too long. I held the trade for too long. So it's a journey we got to take, man. I don't want to skip this journey. I need to hold a trade for too long, lose, and then learn. Finished.
Yeah, I used to do that too, but now, before I get into the trade, I have to know where to get out, right?
Yep. Yeah, you do that well. I've realized. Like you plan your trades really well. And then if it turns out as a loss, then you can't blame yourself at all because you've done everything
Yeah, exactly.
in your power to ensure that your TA went your way. So it's all good.
Mhm. So,
Ricardo, you there?
and this will be the last trade for today. Let's see. Let's see if there's any moving down here. Let's see the 15 on this. Is a medium impact goal. Good news for GBP. So I think because of that, it's still ranging for the rest of the players. I have to come down. Let's make gold give us the loose we lost. So we come here to remove we lost. Like the way it's coming very quick. And we got check. It's gonna hold for now. Not yet. Not entering that. All right, let's see how this works. The last trade. All right, so far so good. To push from there. Shem is like, what are you talking about?
Like this is the state of affairs. Yeah, I'll tell you what I've done. I have my stop loss now at 80. Actually, I don't have a stop loss. Yeah, I have a take profit.
Okay.
1802.
Um,
And then I'm going to close it because I'm sick and tired of it. I'm sick. I need something new to do, man. This is boring since last evening. What the hell? And I need like a new trade to work with, be excited with, like a GG or something. Oh.
all right, let's see.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
I see it's like lying down. I'm just gonna push that close. Yeah. So this trade based on the 2 hour closing above that daily again and above that 50. Hopefully we got that loss back at least. And they have taken trades like this many, many times, changing from sells to buys or from buys to sells, and they work very well. But today, it's who knows? See this 4 hour. So now in the 4 hour, it may be in this. Do this. I was still open, so it's a little bit sketchy there. Very nice. Can we get that loss back? This is where gold start to play with me now. What do you guys think about this scalp strategy? Just an idea on volatile when there is 1 hour building candle closing scalp, then dips as soon as it closes again.
Hi, hi.
Yeah, I do that sometimes. It goes 10 pips by doing this strategy. Someone has music in here, I don't know which it is. So this candle here telling me like price does not want to go down yet, closing above the zone and already got that 10 pips almost. Push more. There you go, 10 pips. Probably close some profit for it, to be honest. Let's maybe just 15 minutes from the config this week here again and push, so just push up from here because there's no output, so that's looks good. So I think it's gonna come down here, but since 10 pips we have here. I'm gonna close 50%. Okay, close 50% at 10 pips. Now I'm down 20 pips loss. Get to get that back. Let's see this one. But we have this strong zone here, which is a weekly. I think it's weekly, right? So it's daily. It's daily, which is this one here. So now I can give it 10 pips loss. Probably. I thought it's gonna beat that very quick. 5 minutes. See that 5 minutes break and retest made us support at that zone now. We closed above that 8 moving average, rejected that. It should push up otherwise, close back below here. I'm gonna close and go to sleep. I'm done for the week. Let's see GG. All right. Okay, 1 hour close below that 8 moving average. Probably gonna have pushing down now to this one here. Please. I'm going to focus on forward. Let me do this. We have this daily 8 moving average. It's a big problem here. Right. Oh, good. That's exactly where we made the resistance. Yeah, it came down to that. Let's push up now. Sham, it's still in, right? Another different average in 6 hours. So So yeah, this zone, I like to see this break above, came back to that zone, rejected, and push up again. Right? Once we break down here again, we just didn't push down, so it has to push up from here, and 1 hour close back above below this zone again. I will close. Probably just came back to my entry. Just gonna go see. All right, let's see if we fly. That's why I changed from sales to buys very quick. Let's see if we push up 50 pips. But zoom there, the moving average having hard time, which the previous daily rejected that great moving average, and this one is having hard time there. And at the same time, we have the daily resistance. But maybe this weekly candle wants to close above that. Let's see. Just gonna keep the gain here. So this is the 30-minute open. Probably gonna get this week fill down here. I don't like that. what's going on. I'm gonna be holding unless we close below this zone here. But if I see like breaking very strong hard like we did before, we'll close very quick. As soon as we are above this zone here, I'm gonna hold this. Guys, I will be right back. I'm watching this from my phone.
Sasha.
Yeah. Why is it so quiet?
Najim's away. Okay.
Najim is sleeping, but he's replying here. Oh, you're away from the computer. Najim, how come you're not sleeping? It's too late for you. Go to bed. Forget about the pips. How are you all doing? Jur, did you take a trade?
Yes, Sasha. Sorry, I can't hear you clearly. How's that?
1 second, I'll just get my headphones and then we'll be okay.
Okay.
All right, guys, I'm back. Still playing around. So 30 minutes just opened, I think, for not 15 minutes. And it has no bottom weight yet, so that's not look good. That's 15 minutes of the 20 minutes. Okay.
Najim,
Yes, Shan. I hear you.
Took that trade with you, Najim. Thank you.
No problem. You go in.
What?
You are going to sleep.
No, I said I took that trade with you.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, no
I got
problem.
I got a free signal from you.
Well, it's not a signal. It's weird. It's just like, you know, the way I trade.
Okay. Yeah.
Shem is asking me,
Please
can
don't
you help?
ask for subscription for this stream, okay?
Oh, you said the juror. I couldn't hear it.
Please don't ask for subscription for this stream.
Oh, no, 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 no. But for the Zoom people, no. Maybe in future, but
Oh yeah, are you still streaming it on YouTube Live?
not yet. The problem, I always say I'm gonna get the cord, the cable, to connect
Okay.
it straight to the internet modem, because this way is like when I go live on YouTube like this, it locks. All right, so
Okay,
far
I
so
see.
good. 25 pips.
Ah, it's flying. Thank you, Najim. Thank you.
That's why in like the higher time frame zones, like this is where you want to get away from sales at this point. And now we are up flying. We got that last. I'm gonna close another 50%. Right?
Yeah, holding full.
Yeah. Closed another 50% right there. Now I'm gonna leave that runner for the extra bonus. And you, Shem, I hope you closed your trade. Now I'm gonna have my stop at B here. Sheesh. So this 1 hour closing above this zone would be awesome again. So two paper trades, but wins now trying to find the confidence again to take the trade on my account. But wait for this 1 hour close. Let me see the 2 hour. 2 hours still has 1 hour to go. Oh, we have that 15 in the 3 hour. But if I had to take buys again, I would try once we close above this zone and wait for the price to come down here. I love this. Good. Wait for the price to come down here. So I can now raise this. You take Dimitri, you take paper trade with me with this one, or you take your own trade? Took my own trade, but with no trade. Nice.
Yo,
I hear you, Shem.
I'm here. Yeah.
Man, are you still in? Done for
No, I
the
got stopped out. I got stopped out.
man, yeah.
I got stopped out. Yeah.
Next time,
Um,
manage your risk.
1808. I had to put a stop loss, man. I couldn't go cow. How long could I go cowboy? 1808 stopped out. Happy. In fact, I was so bored of it. I'm actually glad. On to better things now.
Yeah. Um, it is what it is. Sometimes you have to take the loss, But
For sure. In fact, I feel much better because I can now look at the other things. It was just
done for
an
the day, the
ass.
week.
It was just an ass trade which is bothering me. Actually, I was more than anything. I was getting so bored of it. So I'm glad that something happened. Either it gives me a break even or profit, or it stops me out, but not in
Yeah.
between. In between was bothering me.
Yeah, man.
On to other things.
I don't know the way you trade, but just manage your risk and know where to get out.
Absolutely,
That's
bro.
my biggest advice can give, because that worked very well for me. Before I get into the trade,
Thank you, man. I
I
appreciate
talk to myself. This is where I'm going to get out, no matter what.
So right now I'm in nothing, like nothing trade, which is okay.
Now you should just now like
Take
uh,
a-
stay away and they come back next week, because now emotions is going to be involved and you're going to lose more, because now you're going to try to get that money back and
Oh
you're going
no,
to lose more.
that money is go. Those that trade was not meant for me, so it's fine. There'll be trades which are meant for me, which will be good as I go, as we go. This is a marathon, man, not a sprint. GJ.
So now we are 10 pips above the loss. We lost about 30 pips, right? Now 10 pips up, which is not bad, you know. Probably close some profit. See you on Monday. Tariq, take care, brother. See you next week. It's flying. I think Dimitri sent me chart. Yeah, send me a chart, right?
Yes,
Chart here. Gigi is giving us juice in here. It's a Gigi gold.
well, is she like mad that you need to come back? Huh? Is she like mad that you need to come back, or like?
Is someone talking? I couldn't hear you very well. It's not clear. Was that Dimitri or Alden? Let's just make two power portraits. Very nice. I saw that chart. Let me mute. Okay. What happened here? So 1 hour is about to close, closing above this zone, which is also daily. So I'm gonna expect next 1 hour to come back to the zone again. Right. This 1 hour is gonna come back here. Let's see, we have that zone. I just like when I have the moving averages at the exact zone. That's where when I like that. When the moving averages closest to 5 minutes, which is not a strong confirmation. 1 hour is up, it's far away. But we have the 6. Oh, okay. Let's see what's going on in here. We have this 15 to 6 hour candle. So, out in there. Let's see if we get that rejection there, that zone for continuation. So if this is the 30 minutes, our still has a lot to go, but probably if can close back below this zone, I'm gonna close my runner right there. Just coming down, but very, very slow. Yes. Since we recovered the loss, now stop up here and see what happens. Like I said, the only thing we have here is the zone daily, and the moving averages are far away, and when they are far away, there is a high probability price wants to go there, right? That's why I don't like it a lot to take buys if I had to, but probably give it a try. But not now. I'm just saying if I had to, like, no other choice. See what I mean? So just that you don't know where it's going to start. But when you have moving averages, it most of the time rejects it. And 15 minutes very far away. Let's see. I was talking, but I was muted all time. Shit.
Friday things, dude. It's because everything is bloody slow, man. It's like
Yeah.
boring. Let's
So
look at
this
look at something else. Like I don't know.
it's time for me to go to sleep. That's what I'm gonna go look for.
Actually, you know what? What is it? Is it like 4 a.m. there?
Yeah, it's 4:10. Yeah. Yeah, I have
Dude,
my stuff
what is
at
it?
B now. So this
Call
is
it-
the 4 hour if you close above this zone like it closed right now. We
Yeah.
like I had to take bias again and we'll wait for the next 4 hours to come back here to retest this zone and at the same time that we have that 8 moving average right here. Right here. So that would be my bias if I had to buy again up and manage it in the lower time frame. It goes back to low here out. But now I'm just gonna go to sleep. That's it for today. And yeah.
All right, man. Have a good one, dude. We'll catch you on Monday.
All right,
Or
guys.
later on.
Take care. See you next week.
See you, dude.
Bye. Have a great weekend, guys.
You too, guys. Take care. Buen fin de semana, Ricardo. Parents, night or good day.